Got a little snow today. We're gonna do some plowing. Yeah, it's well, we probably got about 14 inches. Pretty light, kind of a light powdery snow, so shouldn't be too big a deal. Just plowing it out. I'll have to go down and plow the barbecue out. My daughter's house. I gotta go over to see my son's house now.
Isn't that cool?
All right, here we go. Plowing out Paula's. It's been snowing for almost 48 hours. FYI. It's like being trapped in a snow globe.
That was pretty snowy.
Not sure if this is going to be the steadiest recording ever.
Oh well. Well, it's a bumpy truck. It's the old 89 S15.
Say that again?
89 S15.
There you go.
It's a good old truck. People say, oh, how's that plow with that? You know, isn't that truck kind of little? Well, it is, but so
Plow's
the plow.
big.
the
Is the plow little?
The plow is sized for the truck. So
okay.
It really works great. It does. And they've got decent snow tires on. I think they're, I forget what they are. I'll take a picture of them later. I guess they just do everything, don't we, honey?
Yep.
You're going to go over to the barbecue, right?
I'm going to shovel out back because the truck from Cisco couldn't come today, so it's coming tomorrow, which means that we have to dig out. So John's going to do the parking area, and I'm going to go out back and at least begin the dig out.
You got to promise not to kill yourself shoveling.
I promise I won't kill myself shoveling. Luckily, it's only about 6 feet worth of shoveling to the cooler. I'm not shoveling all the way out to the barbecue pit.
No.
That's not happening.
You got young, strong barbecue pit masters for that.
I'll get him out the door to the cooler.
Oh.
Woo! That was a little whiplashy.
Yeah, we hit the bank.
That's the bank, the remnants from the
big storm.
6 weeks ago. 6 weeks ago, we got 2 feet of snow in 24 hours. It's been snowing 48 hours almost with this storm, and we've only got about a foot to 14 inches. It's just been a constant, creakers, John. It's just been a constant light snow, like those summer rains you get where it's just like a misty rain all the time. That's what this is. All right, so I had a nice, sweet little chat with my sister who's in California.
How much snow they getting?
Not much.
Yeah, those are Hankook tires, and they work really well. They don't look real aggressive, but they really do bite in good. Got to open the barbecue up. Man, it sure is a winter scene here today. You got our flag flying. Woo, gotta take care of that icicle. That shouldn't be too much of a problem, I don't think.
That's not the right piece. I needed to open the back door.
Oh, okay.
It's not gonna do me any good. Could I have the shovel?
All right. Tuesday, day off at the old barbecue.
Well, not really. I should be cooking.
Yeah, but it's a snow day.
No truck today.
Oh, one of these days we're gonna get a little video of you cooking. Dark in the kitchen. Oh, a little bit of light. All right, you're gonna need that back to close up too, right?
Shovel out there.
There's a shovel right there. All right, I'm gonna go back to plowing. And the old Red Rock BBQ. We've got craft brewer on site. Nice and warm in here. I don't know why it's so warm. It shouldn't be this warm. Oh, it is. It's 69 according to this. Oh my goodness. Evidently somebody's trying to... 69, that's almost 70. I don't keep it that hot in my house. All right. Wait till Jake finds out. He's a fuel bill miser. Let's see if I can find a spot here I can get a measurement on the snow. Oh, it's only 7 inches there. That's nothing. I know there's got to be 14 inches around here somewhere. Let's try this. Oh, 7 inches. Anyway, back to plowing. Yeah, so this little truck here, it's a 5-speed stick. People wonder, I don't know, a lot of guys don't like plowing with a stick, but I don't mind it because I put it in low range. The first gear is really slow. It's a nice creep. I got these controls over here to work the plow. Yellow is the plow, down, up and down. Black angles it, so I put an angle on it. And then I'm going to drop the plow. The switch stays down when it drops. And then first gear is pretty much a creep, like that, which is really quite slow. But if I go to second gear, I can pick up speed. And then when I come to the end of the row, I'm going to hit that snowbank, which is hard. I just step on the clutch, you know, and just let little of the momentum of the truck shove into the snowbank. Oh, I got to pick my plow up. There we go. Reverse is a little slow in this truck in low range, but I'm okay with that because we're moving along pretty good. I gotta clean up. Somehow, even with the angle, I don't get it as clean as I'd like to. So I'm gonna start right off in second gear in low range, and it's just like the perfect speed for plowing. So going back and forth between, you know, forward and reverse is pretty easy. Now I'm just gonna step the clutch, let it stop, right over in reverse, let the clutch out. Now we're backing up. I kind of like it with the stick. I could be wrong. I don't know, maybe the automatic's a lot easier. I have plowed with an automatic before. It's been quite some years. It was an old GMC pickup truck, and that actually did work pretty good. So I think I just backbladed. So now I got a pretty big pile there, but this truck really shoves it pretty good. We're doing all right. There we go. Pick up my plow, throw it in reverse. It's a lot quicker if I'm not holding the camera. Just back up and do it again. Even with the angle, it leaves a lot off to that one side, so I'm gonna have to hit that again. So I'll drop the plow, and that's reverse, and that's puts me in second gear, which is good for forward, unless I want to creep, and then I just put it in first gear. So I don't know, the old girl works pretty good. That was a pretty good heat. Just gonna keep going back and forth until I get this cleaned up. Looks like I got a little streak over there. I better clean that up, because you know what? You leave a streak like that, and then the next thing you know, I'm gonna have slush or a big ice ridge, and somebody will twist their ankle on it. Nobody wants that. So with a little bit of go, I think it's actually easier on the transmission and stuff than an automatic where you're always, you know, you're pushing into the pile. With this, I just let a little bit of the momentum of the truck shove the pile. So that's how that goes. This has the 2.8 V6. It's the teeniest little V6. And there ain't a whole lot of power. I mean, on the road, Connor makes fun of me because this truck has like 0 power on the highway. In fact, getting on the highway is actually, it's borderline not highway worthy. Some of you guys might think it's more than borderline not highway worthy, but that's what I'm gonna call it, borderline. If we keep getting snow like this, I'll have to take the bucket tractor and start moving this stuff. Not exactly sure where to, but I'm gonna have to. So I got to clean up that edge where even the angle of the plow didn't let it clean up. I'll just move it over there. Wow, good old bang right into it, pretty good. I like using the mirrors too. My old neck I don't like turning. So I use the mirrors when I'm plowing as much as I can. I got the rear view mirror, works pretty good. I got that side mirror if I'm getting close to a vehicle, and this side mirror, I can pretty much see where I'm at. A lot of people hate using mirrors too, but pretty much a necessity. Everybody should know how to use mirrors. One of the key things is, and my old driver instructor teacher taught us this, when you set up a mirror to look out a side view mirror, always have a little corner of whatever vehicle it is in the mirror. That gives you a reference point. If you push the mirror out too far and you can't see your own vehicle, just a little bit of it, you don't know where you're at. So that's one of the big things that I think people just don't get with using mirrors. Oh yeah, and everything's backwards. That's another thing. Yeah, looks like I've gotten this end pretty cleaned up. All right, since we're plowing today, I thought I'd back all the way up the hill. This is a sleigh riding hill the kids and us go on here at Red Rock BBQ at the top of the hill by the barn. So I'm gonna plow this a little bit. I'm gonna try to just skim some of the snow off. I gotta leave enough snow so that, you know, the sleds have some snow, but get rid of this heavy stuff that's just a pain. So I'm probably gonna go, well, I'm gonna go pretty slow, I think. Just back down the hill. I'm gonna go all the way down. There we go. Ooh, it's pushing a whole big pile up in front of me. Straight down the hill.
Oh, look, the kids are out.
Oh yeah, the kids are coming out. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think they're gonna like that.
Oh yeah, I think I think they need to take a ride up the hill with you in the truck.
Okay.
I'll get out.
Oh, you're getting out. You want to get out?
No, we could all fit in here, couldn't we?
No.
Yeah, we could.
It's so tight.
Winnie on my lap, Homer right there.
All right.
Remember the Beamer in church?
I do remember the Beamer in church, and Grandpa. He was the only one who wasn't pressed against the window.
And you were in the front, and the rest of us, 7 of us, were in the back of the Beamer. We looked like...
So that worked pretty good. I got it plowed all over to the barbecue. I got it plowed over to the house, to the barn, everywhere. Homer's over there monkeying around with that.
All right, I'm out.
You're out? All right, honey.